I think it's a good morning to mess with hope.
It's always a good morning to mess with hope.
It's always a good morning to mess with hope. So we are going on some fun adventure. I'm trying to be careful because I don't want to give it away to her yet. Something Poppy and I have never done either. So we are really excited to share this with her, and we are going to show you what we're going to be doing. You're going to get a front row seat right with us.
Is it werewolves?
Yes, werewolves. No, werewolves. All right, so if you guys are interested, stick around. Pretty cool, huh?
Now, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to meet the men and the machines you're going to see out here on the track today? I want to hear ya! Buffalo Express is in the house. Get ready. Train Robbins Crazy Train. Give it up for nice work, ladies and gentlemen. Express Station. Going through 1, 2, 3, nice, run, get it!
saw where we took Hope, monster truck show. We had never been to one before. It was really, really fun. And the thing that impressed us the most, because today is September 11th, 20th anniversary. And so they did a whole tribute at the beginning. And then they said a prayer and they prayed in Jesus' name. That was amazing. It was just one of those awesome experiences, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, the show was really fun, but the tribute and the prayer was beautiful. So now we are going to go inside and we are going to pig out at Buffalo Wild Wings.
Yeah.
Because we are starving. We didn't eat at the monster show because the lines were forever and ever and ever. Right, Hope?
Right.
Ever and ever and ever and ever were the lines. So now we're going to go stuff our face.